Quick weeknight curry chicken and chickpeas. Now let's plate it up. All right, so first things first, we're going to season this chicken after we've already rinsed it with vinegar and lemon juice. And since this is quick and I didn't marinate the chicken, I'm just poking holes in it so that I can make sure that that seasoning penetrates all the way to the bone of this chicken. Next, you're gonna want a can of chickpeas, and I say can because this is a quick weeknight meal, and having them canned while the chicken's cooking, I started a pot of onions that I cook on the stove over low heat with just some oil and some curry paste, and I'll add tomato paste as well. But just add the chickpeas to that, and you're gonna soften them in the pot with this, and I'll show you what we do later. Meat is looking good. Next, grab your rice, and I would say anything but minute rice, but that's for another video. I currently am using extra long grain basmati rice. I buy this by the day because we go through rice constantly. It's a cheap staple, and no matter what, it is a healthy choice for a carb option with your meals. Okay, and now we are not going to just cook this rice. We have to rinse it of the impurities first. This is a step that most people miss, but I'm telling you, if you start doing it, you will taste the difference in your rice, not only in the flavor, but the texture as well. I'm using the rice cooker because, again, this is a quick weeknight meal. We're not playing around with the time. Pop that shit in there, turn it on, set it, and forget it. Now grab your coconut milk, and you're going to crack that can open and take a fork and just stir around in the can, and this will take all of that hardened pieces of it and just solidify it again. It just needs to be mixed. It's just kind of separated in the can. Next, you're going to transfer those chicken drumsticks into a separate pan. Once that's done, it should look something like this, where you can see the chickpeas whole, and we're going to dump the coconut milk right into the pot. Now we're going to stir that up a little bit, and you can see here that the chickpeas are still full. We're going to start crushing some of these down in the sauce to make it thicker, and then transfer everything back into the same pot. Catch you in the next video.